In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import files from a folder into Power BI Desktop. This is perfect when you have multiple files with the same structure like monthly CSVs or Excel sheets that you want to combine into a single dataset. Before we start, make sure the files share the same column names and layout. Consistent structure helps Power BI stack them correctly. Open Power BI Desktop and head to the Home tab. Click Get Data, then choose More to see the full list of data sources. In the dialog, expand the file category and select Folder. This tells Power BI you want to connect to a directory rather than a single file. Click Connect. Next, you'll enter the location of the folder. You can click Browse to navigate to it, or paste the full folder path if you already have it. When you're set, click OK. Power BI will read the folder contents and show a preview of the files it found. Here, choose Combine and Transform Data, which is the recommended option. This opens the Combine Files window. Power BI needs to understand how to extract the data from each file. So if you're working with Excel files, you'll be asked to pick what to combine, such as a specific sheet like Sheet 1 or a named table. If your files are CSV or text, there's typically nothing to pick, and Power BI will use the file structure directly. You may also notice it uses one of your files as a sample to define the transformation steps for all the others. Click OK and you'll be taken into Power Query. This is where you can clean and shape your data before it lands in your report. Take a moment to scan the preview. If needed, you can make quick adjustments such as removing columns you don't need, setting the correct data types, fixing headers, or filtering out blank or error rows. Small, thoughtful changes here will save time later when you build visuals. If something doesn't look right, check that your source files truly match in structure, because differences in column names or orders can cause unexpected results. When you're happy with the preview, go to the Home tab in Power Query and select Close and Apply. Power BI will run those steps across all files in the folder, load the combined data into your model, and you'll see the resulting table in the Fields pane. From here, you can begin building visuals, measures, and reports. As a bonus, if new files are added to the same folder with the same structure, a refresh will pull them in automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.